Staying responsive is one of the most important parts of customer support. Customers expect quick answers and timely resolutions. That's where SLA policies come into play. They define clear timelines for replays and resolutions, so your helpdesk team always knows what's expected. Hi, I'm Borko from Plumsail. Today's topic, creating SLA policies in SharePoint HelpDesk. Alright, let me show you how it's done. What is an SLA policy? An SLA, or Service Level Agreement, sets expectations for how fast your team should respond and resolve tickets. In Plumsail HelpDesk, you can set up multiple SLA policies, each tailored to different ticket types, priorities, or customer groups. When a ticket is covered by an SLA, you will see a next SLA column in the ticket list. It shows how much time is left before the SLA target is breached. If the target is missed, the column displays a negative value in red, showing how long it's been overdue. If no SLA applies, the column simply stays empty. SLA is paused for tickets in pending status. There are three main metrics you can track. First, replay time, the time frame in which an agent should send the initial response to a customer after the ticket is created. Next, replay time, the maximum time to replay after each customer's response. And resolution time, the total time from when a ticket is created until it's marked as solved. Importantly, time in pending status is excluded, so the clock pauses until the customer replays. Both first replay time and the next replay time start counting from the moment the customer leaves a comment, meaning the SLA pauses when the ticket is in pending status. And all SLA metrics follow your helpdesk working hours. You can define these in the helpdesk settings. Set your primary time zone, choose your availability, import public holidays for your country, and customize them as needed. Once configured, these business hours are used automatically when calculating SLA timers and running triggers. Each SLA policy in Plumsail HelpDesk includes title, a name to identify the policy, you can be descriptive in here, condition, set of rules which should be satisfied for the policy to be applied, metrics, be target hours. Each metric has a time target in working hours. If that target is exceeded, the SLA is considered failed. Failure action. What happens if the SLA is missed? For example, notify the assignee, escalate to a manager, adjust priority, etc. I want to mention actions run sequentially from top to bottom. Record violations to ticket history. This is an optional settings to log missed SLAs into the ticket history for tracking and reporting. When creating SLA policies, make sure your SLA policies don't overlap. This way, each ticket clearly matches a single policy. Let's add a policy for tickets with normal priority. Click to add a new policy and enter the policy name, condition, ticket priority equals normal, targets, first replay time, 10 business hours, next replay time, 6 business hours, and resolution time, 40 business hours. Failure action, if any of these targets are violated, set priority to high, and log the violation in ticket history. Activate the policy and hit save and close. Now let's create a stricter policy for high priority tickets for the first replay only. Enter the name for the policy, condition, ticket priority equals high, targets, first replay equals 4 business hours, failure action, if violated, send an email notification to their manager. This way, we ensure that high-priority tickets are seen and get the attention they deserve. Activate the policy and hit Save and Close. A few important notes. SLA order matters. The first policy that matches the condition will apply. To prioritize stricter policies, drag and drop them to the top of the list. SLAs update dynamically. If a ticket's field change, for example, if its priority is updated, HelpDesk re-evaluates conditions and may apply a different SLA policy. With SLA policies in SharePoint HelpDesk, you ensure your team stays on track. Customers get timely responses and no ticket is left waiting longer than it should. And that's all for this video. Don't forget, you can try Plumsail HelpDesk free for 30 days with no credit card required. The link is in the description section. And if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more tutorials on how to get the most out of SharePoint HelpDesk. See you in the next video.